Hi ma'am, good afternoon. We are the Group 1 and here's our presentation, the Western Visayas. Geography, climate, and topography. Western Visayas is located in the central Philippines with boundaries of the Visayan Sea on the east, the Coyo East Pass on the west, the Sibuyan Sea and the Romblon on the north, and the Cagayan Island on the southwest. It has the coordinate of 11.0050 north, 122.5373 east. It is composed of 4 provinces of Panay, 6th largest island of the Philippines with 11,520 kilometers, the Guimaras Island, 20th largest island with 580 kilometers, and western portion of the island of Negros and its outlying island. Negros Islands is the 4th largest island with approximately 12,706 kilometers. Western Visayas has approximately 6.74% of total land area of the Philippines. Its topography is characterized by relatively wide stretches of coastal lowlands with rugged hills and mountains in the interior. Western Visayas is the coldest regions in the Philippines, with an average daily high temperature of only 32 degrees centigrade. Due to the lesser rain, the best time for traveling is from February to May. Socio-economic, political, and cultural context. Western Visayas consists of 6 provinces: Aklan, Antique, Negros Occidental, Capiz, Guimaras, and Iloilo, with 16 component cities, making it the region with the highest number of cities. Iloilo City is the regional center. The presence of almost all the government agencies, regional offices in the city, and its geographical proximity to the provinces affirm Iloilo City as the regional center. After strenuous and sustained political efforts, Aklan was separated from Capiz by Act of National Legislature in April 1956. Agriculture is a prominent part of the economy, principal products being rice, maize, coconuts, and cut flowers. Ocean fishing is also important, as is tourism. Boracay, an internationally known, world-class white sand island resort just offshore. Kalibo is known also for Mother of Philippine Festival, Ati-Atihan, held every third week of January. Bakawan Eco Park, Philippines' most successful mangrove reforestation project, and pinacloth weaving. Inland fishing and aquaculture yield several export products. Meat processing and paper-related cottages industries are widespread, and rattan furniture is manufactured for export. One of these is Mount Madiaas, the highest mountain on the island, a dormant volcano adorned with several lakes and more than a dozen waterfalls. The population is largely Austronesian. According to the legend, they were immigrants from Borneo centuries before the Spanish arrived. The area was made a separate province by Spanish government in 1790. Agriculture is important. Sugar and coconuts lead, with coconut oil, coconut wine both being significant. Ocean fishing is also important. One website speaks of the tuna highway along the coast. Seaweed is harvested. Marble and gemstones are mined. Other valuable mineral deposits are known but undistributed. There are also hot springs in the mountains, and the province of Antique is the west, composed of 42 municipalities and 2 cities, Iloilo and Pasig. Its unique location has made Iloilo the commercial, cultural, intellectual center of Western Visayas from the dawn of history. Strategically, it is considered as one of the main tourist entrants here in the region. Iloilo City, the vibrant provincial capital, is a booming financial center. The region is home to religious cultural festivals, famous of which is the Ati-Atihan Festival of Kalibo every January. Another popular festival is the Nayag Festival of Iloilo City.
Now, let's move forward to the tourism policies, master plans, and marketing strategies of the combined forces of the local government units and the Department of Tourism Region 6, Western Visayas. So, these are the following policies that they've conducted upon the lockdown of the entire region. So, the first one is contactless transaction. So, to prevent physical contact, commercial establishments and other industries have gone digital when it comes to their payments and transactions. The second one is standard health protocols. So a COVID-19 hotline will also be in place to cater to guests' possible health concerns. Face masks, hand sanitizers, alcohol will also be available. Also, physical distancing shall also be strictly observed. Despite the new measures, the tourism department assured that a Boracay trip will still let guests experience the same brand of customer service the Philippines has been known for.
Natural resources. Western Visayas is one of the richest regions in the country in terms of natural resources. Its forests, however, have been denuded due to indiscriminate logging. Its water abound with numerous species of fish and other marine products. Mineral resources included copper, gold, silver, clay, limestone, coal, sand, and gravel, and other non-metallic. It is a key fisheries development area with its 84 coastal municipalities, 8 major fishing grounds, island bodies of water, and 43,050 hectares of fish pond. The Environmental Management Bureau Region 6 supports plant-based solutions for climate change campaign to address both climate change and hunger in celebration of Nutrition Month 2020. Environmental Management Bureau 6 encouraged the Filipinos to switch to plant-based diet as one of its actions to lessen greenhouse gas emissions. The Philippine Biodiversity Conservation Foundation, Inc. is now in full gear to embark on a more unified regional biodiversity conservation program in the entire West Visayas biogeographic region. The WVBR is comprised of Negros, Panay, Cebu, Masbate, and nearby islands, and according to scientists, these islands were one landmass millions of years ago. These islands are priority conservation sites of PBCFI because they contain a good number of species endemic only to this region and could not be found elsewhere in the world. Unfortunately, much of these endemic species are already threatened to extinction in the wild, primarily due to habitat destruction and overexploitation. The West Visayas Regional Program will also cater to habitat protection and restoration, employing participatory and community-based approaches.
We know that in marketing, we need to look or we need to select who is the consumers along the way. On Western Visayas, they strategize who is the consumers and how they affect towards the market. Now, in some part of Western Visayas, they have lack of sustainable, lack of management, and that problem it addresses those who felt needy problems of locality and promotes economic development and peace and unity. In general institution in Western Visayas, they need a local support in order to sustain it and to maintain it. And that is LGU or barangay and municipality. In some portion, other LGUs provide a financial support to cooperatives. This is to eliminate the problems or to re-adapt the problems in order to success, in order to implement.